In the Institute, Biointerfaces Institute here at McMaster, what we're basically doing is trying to discover new materials and new modified surfaces that can be used to work with biology to solve all kinds of problems. So give you just a couple of examples. So contact lenses, lots of people wear them, put them in your eye, by the end of the day your eye hurts. So one of the projects we have going on right now is to find new materials that would be better coatings for contact lenses to make them more comfortable. Another example of the kind of work we do is biosensor work. So people probably are familiar with biosensors in a sense from two very common examples. The glucose test strip that you can buy in the drugstore that diabetics use. The other one is the pregnancy test kit. Just to give you three examples that have come out of this institute, we have one sensor that detects organophosphate pesticides. These turn out to also be important because they're also nerve agents. So in Syria, the chemical warfare agents that were used, we can detect those using paper strips we developed here. Second one is heavy metals. So people always think about, mercury, lead, things like that in their drinking water. So we have a test strip, little piece of paper that can detect that. And the third one is E. coli. So we have test strips that are able to detect E. coli based on a simple color change. But to get that to work required a huge amount of upfront work. And again, we accelerate that entire process by automating it and having essentially the robots do it for us. What we're doing right now is starting a very large project. We're going to be creating literally millions of materials, characterizing them to create what will essentially be a library or a bank of materials. So we have the whole range of skill sets. We have clinicians, we have engineers, we have scientists, we have biochemists. That's what I like the most, is a collaborative environment, the ability to bring people together to sort of think about projects that one person isolated in their own lab might not be able to do, won't have the resources to do or the breadth of experience. But when you bring all the people together and you start thinking about how we work together, the big projects come out of that.